Do you know, I have a question. Am I ever going to see the sun again? Because I'm getting worried at this point. I'm turning into a vampire. I'm getting lighter and lighter by the day. I need some sunlight.
Continue.
Oh.
Not every movie Christian Bale does is going to be accessible as Batman, so what can you do?
Does he mumble in this one too?
Batman. Oh, little Jesus.
I'm going to drink some water trying to get the hiccups to go away and be back, hopefully. Time now, 6:49. We'll be back. We'll try to fix this in the break.
Maybe you can play Baby Jesus.
I'm too big. I was gonna say I'm a little too big to play Jesus, and a little too dark too, I think.
It's huge.
You know what's happening.
Gigantic.